Samsung is reportedly working on an in-display front-facing camera. Yes, you have heard it right, a front camera that is integrated into the display. If the reports are true, then we are going to witness one of the biggest jumps in smartphone technology and innovation. An in-display front-facing camera eliminates the need for a bezel or a notch to house the camera sensor. This could result in a truly bezel-less display even without the hassles of a sliding or pop-up camera setup. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. Samsung displayed the plan about this innovation at 2018 Samsung OLED Forum. The company announced that they will be working on other OLED technologies as well. This includes an in-display fingerprint scanner, a touch-sensitive technology, and a screen sound technology, probably going to be powered by piezoelectric principles. What these would do is not exactly clear as of now, but the in-display camera is the most exciting and arguably the most important out of the lot currently. Samsung has kept away from the notch trend all this while every other smartphone manufacturer, including Google itself, has jumped onto the bandwagon. Samsung has not yet. Recently, Samsung was teasing Google for the huge notch on its Pixel 3 XL device. It has also been mocking Apple ever since the launch of the iPhone X. With such confidence in their design, they absolutely need to bring something new which will define the industry standard for design. Samsung might be looking to integrate this technology on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10. However, reports also claim that this technology is in its infancy and is just being tested on a handful of prototypes. With the launch of the Galaxy S10 not far away, this could mean that we will not see this technology on the device yet. However, we can expect many surprises from the company in terms of the Galaxy S10. The S10 is said to feature a bigger screen, a bigger battery, and might even have a 5G variant, along with an in-display fingerprint scanner and, who can say, maybe an in-display camera as well. So we just have to wait and watch. So that would be it for this news update, and we hope you liked it. I'm Lian, thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.